We're in the kitchen cooking some baked pork chops over brown rice. Gonna make sure you go ahead and have that oven preheating at 350 degrees. Spread some extra virgin olive oil over the pork chops. Make sure they're clean pork chops. We got some Miss Dash. No salt. No salt in this here Miss Dash. Spread that over the pork chops. Get that nice and coated. Follow it up with some steak and chop seasoning. Got a little bit left, might as well use it. Get that on both sides of them pork chops. Get that over the pork chops. Like I said, oven preheating at 350 degrees. Got some ground allspice with some smoked paprika. Gotta have that smoked paprika. Star that show, the little secret, some cinnamon and some black pepper. With some parsley flakes over the top. Now it's time to mix it all together. Get it all incorporated. Let that marinate for an hour or overnight if you can. Got a deep dish aluminum pan with some brown rice. That's a cup and a half of brown rice. Put a little extra virgin olive oil on it. For that cup and a half brown rice, calls for 3 cups of water. I chose to use water instead of using some broth. To add a little bit of seasoning to that rice and water. Get that all spread out. Get that all spread out. Now I got a small onion that I chopped up. Get that all over the pan. Follow that up with some green bell peppers. Now it's time to add these pork chops to this pan. You don't have to shove it down in there. Just place it right over the top of those bell peppers and onions and that brown rice, of course. That fitting up perfect. Cover that with aluminum foil, very tight. No need to look at it. Place it in the oven, 350 degrees for 1 hour and 15 minutes. Now that time would be different if you're not using brown rice, but I use brown rice. Juicy, moist, tender baked pork chops. Subscribe if you like what you see. Thank you.